Welcome to School Kids. Myself Leah Francis. Today we will discuss about effect of force. A force is experienced only when its effect that produced by force on various objects. So, effect of forces are: a force can move a stationary object. A force can stop moving object, and it can change the direction and speed of a moving object. And it also changes the size and shape of an object. A force can change the state of motion. I will discuss each one. First one, a force can move a stationary object. Take a ball on a level surface like tabletop, concrete floor, etc. Then gently push along level surface. What happened? It will begins to move by applied force. Same condition we can see in a football ground. Players kicks on stationary football while penalty kick. Then what happened? The ball will move towards the goal. Next is a force can stop the moving object. Consider a moving ball on a surface, level surface. If you place your palm in front of a moving ball, it comes to rest from state of motion to state of rest. So we can say a force can stop a moving object. Next is a force can change speed of moving object. Assume a girl moving on a bicycle at a certain speed. If someone push the bicycle from behind, so we can say its speed gets increases. If someone is pulling the bicycle behind, speed of bicycle gets reduced. So a force can change the speed of moving object. Similarly, when children are competing with moving tire or rubber tire, moving ring, by pushing a stick, what happens? Its speed gets increases. So a force can change the speed of moving object. Next is a force can change the direction of object. Consider cricket match. Bowlers throw the ball towards the batsman. Then he will hit the ball by bat. The direction of ball changes. Then we can say the direction of moving object can be changed by applied force. Next is a force can change the size and shape. Take a light spring and pull it from both ends. What happened? Its size gets changes. So here we can say by applied force by our hands, size and shape of spring gets changes. So a force can change the size and shape. Understood? Next is a force can change the state of motion. Consider a stationary car. If someone behind the car push the car, then what happened? It will move forward. Then its state of motion changes from state of rest to state of motion. So we can say a force can change the state of motion. Understood? I will repeat. A force can change the state of stationary object. A force can move stationary object. A force can stop moving object. A force can change the speed of moving object. A force can change the direction of motion. A force can change the size and shape, and it also changes state of motion. Understood? Next we can see some example in this video. direction of moving ball can be changed after it strike the ruler or pen. If you place your palm in front of a moving ball, it comes to rest because we apply force on it. Take a ball and place it on a table or level surface. Then we gently push the ball. Then what happened? It is still moving. Now we can discuss a tabular format in our textbook, that is effect of force on object. Here first column is situation of force. Then how it is applied. Next is action of force. That is if there is a change in motion or change in shape. First one is a lump of dough on plate. Then here we apply force pressing it down with the hands. Then what happened? Here shape gets changed. There is a no motion of the. Understood? Next is spring fixed into seat of bicycle. Here we apply force by sitting on a seat. Here also shape gets changed. There is a no change in motion. Next is a rubber band suspended from a hook or nail fixed on a wall. Here force is applied by hanging weight by or pulling it free end. Then what happens? Its size and shape. Shape gets changed. Motion of rubber band also changes. That weight gets changed. Motion of that weight gets changed. That's all about effect of force. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.